Hello, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine. So today I'll be discussing about SOF Olympiad Class 3 syllabus and number division. So in this video you will get what are the topics that are included in the level 1 Class 3 SOF Olympiad and what will be the topic included in the level 2 SOF Class 3 Olympiad. So let's get started. Class 3 SOF English Olympiad syllabus. Total marks is 40. Time 1 hour. Level 1. In section 1 it's about word and structure knowledge. This includes homophones, collocations, spelling, words related to animal, household things, clothes, basic emotions, food, animal and pets, synonyms and antonyms, gender, number, proverbs, idioms, one word, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, articles, preposition, simple tense, conjunction and punctuation, basic question, question tag and jumble words. For section 2, it's about reading. Search for and retrieve information from various text types like stories, anecdote, etc. Understand information through picture, timetable format, etc. Acquire broad understanding of book for specific information in shorts like message and invitation. Then next come section 3. In section 3, it's about spoken and written expression. Ability to understand situation based on variation in function like apology, greeting, introduction, request. Section 4 is Achievers section. Higher order thinking question syllabus as per section 1, 2 and 3. Now, let's come to the number of question and marking scheme. For section 1, word and structure knowledge, number of question is 15. The marks carry is 1. So the total marks is 15. Next, the section 2 is about reading. The total number of question is 10. Marks carry is 1. The total marks is 10. Next, the spoken and written expression, which is section 3. Number of question is 5. Marks carry is 1. And the total marks is 5. And the achiever section is number of question is 5, marks carries 3, total marks is 15. So the total question is 35, total marks is 40. Now if you crack the level 1, then you come to the level 2 where there are 3 sections. The number 1 section, word and structure knowledge, the number of question is 20, which the marks is 20, the total marks. Next is the reading section. The number of question is 10 and the marks is 10. Last is the achiever section, which has 5 questions and the total marks is 10. The total number is 40. Hope this video is helpful and you have get an idea what are the things you need to prepare to crack level 1 and level 2 for class 3 SOF Olympiad. Stay tuned, very soon I'll be posting the in-depth topic-wise video, so those videos will help you to clear your concept. So till then, bye-bye.